jingle bell, leanness all the way. Today is an arm and ab burner, the lean way. So I hope you're very excited, squatties. Welcome back to day 4. Day 4 of the 12 days of leanness. I could not be more excited for today because it's only 6 minutes. 6 minutes and we're working the arms, the core, and we're going to transform your energy level, get you more tone, get you stronger, get you fitter, and get you healthier this holiday season. So very exciting stuff. But before we dive straight into the workout, I want to make sure you give a little leanness back. It's the season of giving, and click the subscribe button right up there. Make sure you never miss the leanness again. And also, if you haven't already done so, check out the link below to learn more about the 6-week lean challenge. 2020 is right around the corner, and I want to help you with recipes, with workouts tailored to you. And otherwise, grab a set of dumbbells. I'm going to meet you back on the floor, on the mat, because we're working the arms and abs right here. Excited? Let's do it. All right, we're gonna dive straight into it. All you need is a light set of dumbbells. Like I said, we're working the arms and abs, all right? And remember, if anything is too tough for you, do not worry, just default to something easier. We're going 15 seconds on, 15 seconds on, 15 seconds rest. So we're gonna do 2 exercises back to back. The first 2 exercises we're gonna do are hips up in the glute hold here, in the glute bridge, sorry. And then dumbbells are coming down, one leg comes up, one leg comes up. So you can see there, we're alternating legs. Make sense? And we're squeezing that glute. And then when I tell you to, you're gonna hop on straight into Russian twist with 1 dumbbell. Sound good? Sound exciting? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. We are going hips up, press, press, exchanging those legs, squeezing those glutes, working those arms and core. Really keep those hips pressed up. 3, 2, 1. Woo. Now we're going into Russian twist. And you can see that switch is nice and quick. We're not wasting any time today. Really exaggerate this twist. I like to hook my feet over one another. 2, 1. Woo. All right, next up is dumbbell press and flutter kicks. So it's gonna look like this, all right? And then what we're doing is arms up, little crunches, all right? 3, 2, 1, flutter kick and dumbbell press. Really toning these arms. And you can see this is pretty tough. Whew. Come on, keep pressing. If you have to bend your legs, it'll make it a little easier. 2, 1. Now bend legs, weights together. Little crunches. Now working the upper abdomen. 5 seconds, come on. Whew. 3, 2, 1. Wow. Oh. All right. I need to grab a lighter weight here because I'm not that strong there. A little deceiving. We're going side plank, dumbbell reach throughs. 3, 2, 1. So hips up, reaching through with that weight. Now, if your weight is too heavy, just drop the weight. Go weightless. It's still really tough. And in 5 seconds, we're gonna flip over onto our other side. 2, 1, quick, 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 onto the other side. And my arm is slightly bent here. Keeping that hip up, everything to line. And you can also do this by dropping down on your knee. 2, 1, whew. Wow. Okay, this next one is back to the glute bridge. I want you to really squeeze your glutes. Just 1 dumbbell, weight behind your head, glutes up, and here we go. 2, 1, that weight with the arms straight goes all the way back, really squeezing those glutes. And we're doing an overhead pullover. 3, 2, 1, keep in this position and press the weight up. Just like that, more pressing, squeeze those glutes. 5, come on, 3, 2, 1. Woo. All right, 15 seconds rest. Oh, wow. We're going dumbbell press with the glute march. So remember, hips up, weights up, really squeeze each glute. 2, 1, down and up, down and up. Keeping those hips up. And now you can see we're not moving a million miles an hour. tag me on Lean Squad when you smash this workout. I want to hear from you guys, and also comment below if you're doing this. 2, 1, whoo. There's a lot more leanness going. I really want to hear how you're doing this holiday season, how you're feeling, and how you're really enjoying everything. All right, so remember my Instagram is @LEANSQUAD. DB press and flutter kicks. Here we go. Come on. 10 seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1. Arms up. We're going. Little crunches. Come on, think about how good you're gonna feel after you smash this 6-minute challenge. 2, 1. Wow. Oh, that is tough. Wow. But it feels so good. I always think, and I always tell myself, the tougher anything is, the better I'm gonna feel. That means you're really pushing your body. We're going side planks. 2, 1. Here we go. Reach through. You're pushing your body to make changes, to stay healthy. And that is why your body rewards you with better mood, better sleeps. 3, 2, 1. Switch sides. Quick, quick, quick. Come on, we're nearly done this workout. Come on, every rep counts. Never underestimate that. 3, 2, 1. Whew. All right, we got glute bridge pullover and then glute bridge press. So remember, just one weight. This is the last round of the day, and then we're done for 6 minutes. Here we go. 2, 1. Come on, keep that core engaged. Squeeze those glutes. Arms nice and straight. 3, 2, 1. Here we go, double press. There's one dumbbell. Last one. Come on, as many reps as you can. Keeping those hips up. Squeeze those glutes. Come on, push, 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 and rest. Woo! That, squatties, is 6 minutes. 6 minutes, done and dusted. Woo! You should be very proud, squatties. I'm certainly proud of you guys, and I cannot wait to see you back here next episode. Now, if you haven't already done so, make sure you subscribe to the channel one last time. Make sure you check out the 6-week lean challenge. And last but not least, make sure you show up for day 5 of the 12 days of leanness. Woo!